Hi guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a better day, I hope. I decided to go ahead and give this a shot after the last Unearthly cosmetics that I got in, and oh, I didn't like it at all. I ordered a palette, and I'm probably the only person in the universe that would do this. I hope not, because then that'd make me awfully alone. But I ordered this palette strictly for the name, Not Normal, which pretty much describes me, but also my family. We are not normal. Anyway, this is the palette. Hopefully I put on the right for everything, but if not, oh, it's okay. We've been there before. Let me see if I can get this right for you guys. Okay, let me scooch all over just a little bit. Okay, so Not Normal, Unearthly Cosmetics, just doing an eye look. Keep your fingers crossed. Okay, they actually do have a transition shade. It's called Basic. It's this one right here, and that's the one I'm going to go into. This might be one of the older ones, because it seems like there's a lot more mattes than what they do now. It seems like now they're really into those, I don't know if they're called shimmers, maybe. I'm not sure. Why am I doing it up there when I have a mirror right in front of me? Ooh, that's not a good start. So, Sephora is still going on. However, I know that a lot of people got their orders done like right away. I mean, right away. I did, but one of my subscribers who I've got to respond to got theirs done at midnight, so they were way above even me. I was like, wow, that's impressive. I ended up getting the Dior Illuminizer in pink, because I figured that was the best one. It seems like everything that I've watched. So I ended up getting that in pink. I got the Good Apple, it's KVD, Good Apple foundation. It's a cream foundation. And let's see, what else? I got one, is it LYS? I think it's LYS. I got one of their blush sticks, and I got a blush from Armani, and one more thing. Oh, just cleaning supplies, the Cinnamon Secrets. They got that. So I believe that's it, because I only, yeah, I greatly reduced my, I was so glad. I don't know who I saw, but I saw someone that was talking about the one size powder. I'm going to go into Sage now. Was talking about the one size powder, the pink powder, was that if you're fair skinned, you actually, it shows as, I'm doing it again, shows as pink. So I'm so glad I saw that, because that would have been a waste of money. I had that on my list, and definitely you don't get a powder to actually see the powder on your skin. What else did I drop off? The only thing I didn't get that I really kind of wanted to is by Fenty. It was a cherry, it's a daily face wash that had cherry in it, but it was also a very mild exfoliator. And I really did want that, but I think what will happen is I'll probably end up getting that at a later date. One thing I did notice, and I was not aware of this, but Ulta was having a sale, same thing, free shipping and 20% off of everything, which that's interesting considering that's exactly what Sephora was doing for Rouge members. So I don't know if any of y'all noticed that also. Okay, well, this is going on nice, so maybe after this one I can take back all the ugly things I said about the other one. The one I'm talking about is Charmer. It was sent out in the February 14th box. It came with a whole bunch of other stuff like lip gloss and blush, liquid blush, 2 liners, liquid liners, which I have over there. They're like really kapow, so I'm not used to using them. So when I do use it for like a regular look, I'm going to do that when I'm not on camera, because I already made that mistake once with one of them. I can't remember what the name of it was, but I'm not going to do that again. Okay, yeah, this is just going on super nice. Wonder what about this palette is not normal, or if they're just talking about the girls in the front, which I didn't even, I really didn't even notice what they were wearing. Okay, well, we just won't worry about that. Alright, let me see if I'm done with those. It's very soft. I don't know why, but I have Pat McGrath on today, lipstick, and her lip liner. It's bothering me for some reason. I don't know why. It's one of those things. Okay. I'm going to take Emerald, which is this one right here, and I'm going to put it a little bit right around here. This video should have been done way before now, but I had an incident happen here at home that made it go on a little bit longer, or where I couldn't get on. Alright, I'm going to go into Topaz, which is this one right there, but I'm going to use my fingers because it seems like that's the best way to get, if not, oh, this is a pressed glitter. Okay, it seems like it's the best way to do it. This is what it is. I really just want something different on the lips. It's not going to make me happy until I do, because something's just not sitting right with me about that. Well, we'll see in a minute. Okay, for the next one that I'm going to put on is going to be Gemini. This right here is Gemini. And this one feels a little bit harder pressed, but this is probably a glimmer. Probably. Alright. They have some it's called Emotions, but it's like a lavender, and then they have Sultry, which is a full-on purple, I think. Yeah, I'm going to do this, which is probably a mistake, but I'm going to do it anyway. There's Taupe, which I don't think I've ever seen a shadow called taupe. I know what taupe is. Okay, now we have to do what's gonna go around the bottom, and let's see. I can try this and see what happens. This hasn't exactly been one of my favorite liners, even though I got them a while ago. These are the ones that they advertise for women over 50. Well, and I don't remember what, it was the first one that I used, and it didn't do anything. I mean, it was the same exact as having an eyeliner for, you know, anybody, so I couldn't understand why they were hyping this up to be for women over 50. Didn't seem like it was necessary. Okay, after that I am going to go into Sultry, which is this one right here. And I'll go ahead and I'll use that same Sultry to go around the top of my eyes. Okay guys, I'm going to do my mascara and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did change my lipstick. I put on e.l.f. Pleased with a little bit of Patrick Ta in with it. I don't have a lip liner on, so hopefully it'll last until we're done. Okay, I found this palette and I was trying to use as many shadows as I could. And let's see, we used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shadows, so that's not bad. And all of them worked beautifully. So in my mind, everything turned out really well. I don't know if y'all have ever had a bad experience with Unearthly Cosmetics. If you have, please let me know. I do know that they tend to, I have like 4 palettes from them. The pans tend to be pressed really hard. This one, I think it's got to be one of their earlier ones, and it's not too bad. It's just says Florida. Wait. Yeah, this is Unearthly. They must have added the cosmetics later, because it doesn't say cosmetics. However, their packaging with the magnetic, everything that goes, oh gosh, in the middle, it's all the same, so it is them. Anyway, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, I want to say hi and welcome to the new subscribers, and to the regular subscribers, thank you guys for being so awesome. And that's it. So wherever you are, I hope you are well. Take care, have some fun, but stay safe. Watch your surroundings, you guys know, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.